Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use iPhone Live Text OCR in iOS 15, Live Text and handwriting. Recently, Apple showed off Live Text recognizing handwriting. While this depends on how solid your handwriting is, it seems to work surprisingly well for what it is. To turn your handwritten note into editable text, simply open your camera and point it at the handwriting. Tap the icon in the bottom right corner. Either select or swipe across the text that you need in particular. Now, you can copy and paste it somewhere else. Keep in mind, depending on how legible your handwriting is, the accuracy of live text may partly suffer. You can always fix a few minor issues once you have the text copied, but for the initial release, Live Text OCR works surprisingly well with handwriting. How would you describe your handwriting? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.